Good old South African Patriot here. So that was extremely funny. So firstly, happy holidays. I hope that all of you are spending time with your friends and family. And I hope that while we are all still comfortable in our houses, that we can enjoy and appreciate what we have. So for this video, I want to make two predictions for next year. And firstly, I just want to say that I only do these videos in the hope that my people, white South Africans, would see the signs and that they would recognize what's going on and that they can prepare in some sort of a way to actually get out of it alive. And the second thing is I do it in English because I've got quite a few friends abroad and they like to keep updated what's happening in South Africa. So my two predictions for 2026. The first one is it seems like the Americans are wanting a regime change in South Africa. Now, when we talk about a regime change, everybody would go, wow, okay, now the ANC is going to be gone. It's going to be better in South Africa. Now, if you go back and you look at the regime changes, it's not a pretty thing. And you will see the mud being thrown by America to South Africa and vice versa. And at some stage, I thought that it will slow down and have a quiet death, but it keeps on going. So for me, it is very clear that the Americans want the government as it is in South Africa to be gone. So that is the government of national unity. That includes the ANC as well. You must understand that, this government is not good for South Africa, and it's also not good for America for whatever reason. So a big warning flag for me, because with a regime change comes mass revolt. With a regime change, you will have 30 million plus people not getting SASSA benefits and being paid their government wages. So it's not good. So for me, that is a big warning. Will it happen next year? I do not know. We do know that we should be having municipal elections end of next year or the beginning of 2027. I've got a feeling we're not going to see those municipal elections. If the government stays intact for 2026, I've got a suspicion they're going to wingle and wangle their way out of the municipal elections, because the ANC is not going to survive the municipal elections. And then my second prediction is regarding white South Africans. I see signs and I see things happening around us. And this is not me looking into a crystal ball. You can see it. Just look at the news. There's going to be massive pressure on white people. I've said this before. This specific government of the last 30 years, and this includes the government or the GNU, the Government of National Unity. There is not one political party in South Africa that doesn't want to get rid of white people. That's quite ironic. In 2026, they're going to put more pressure on white people. They're going to try and get us out of the workplace. They're going to try and get us out of our businesses even more with legislation. They're going to put so much pressure on white people. You are going to start to see it. We are already seeing it. I know quite a few people that's lost their jobs, that are battling, that are struggling. And I believe if I look at this, what's happening in South Africa, that this is going to become even worse. And again, this is merely to try and open people's eyes to the fact that what is happening in South Africa. So use it, don't use it. That's what I see. It's not a prophecy. It's not a crystal ball. It's what I see and read in the news every single day. It's there for anybody to see that wants to see it. And if this video opens up one family's eyes, then I'm more than happy. So enjoy your holidays. Enjoy the time with your family. Enjoy the comfort for now that we have, because it is a blessing. Please like, share, and subscribe. And God bless to all of you.